Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing from a brand called REVAIR, and they sent me their reverse hair dryer, and apparently this is the first and only reverse air hair dryer. And I'm really excited to share this with you guys. This will be a part 2 video, so I'll start with an unboxing just to show you guys what the hair dryer looks like, and then stay tuned because I will be showing you guys how I use this hair dryer on my natural hair. So let's get started. So here is the box, and let's see what what I have in this box is the heat protecting wand, the filter, and the base unit. Alright, so let's pull it out. Bam. Voila. So, oh, and then they also threw in some clips, and a girl can never have too many clips. So I believe, oh, there's more. Okay, so this is the base unit. This is the wand, and this is, we will find out. Oh, is this like a water spray? I think this is like a spray bottle, guys. Okay, but there's more to the packaging. So clips, thank you guys. There's also another box inside here. Get my scissors. So when this brand reached out to me and I was like, reverse air dryer? How does that work? So I'm actually really excited to share how this product works, because I just love to see technological innovations in the beauty industry, and if this can cut my blow dry time in half, we have a winner. Okay, so here's the rest of the things. We have a hose, yes, this is the hose. And then we have the filter, and I believe this is this is a wand holder stand. So here is the base unit, and in the front of the base unit, of course, we have your electrical plug. The back of the unit, sorry, electrical plug. Front, I believe this is where I put in the filter, and then this is the level. So first I'm gonna place the filter. Bam, that was easy. Alright, so here's the bottom part of the hose, and I'm gonna put that in here. Oh, that's easy. So guys, putting in the attaching the hose, this latch or this knob right here locks it in. Alright, so just in and twist. And once you hear the lock, you know it's in. Alright, so I plugged in the unit. Oh, guys, look at this. When it's plugged in, the handle lights up. Very cool. This is really cool. So it's plugged in. Have my wand. And this is a stand, so when I do use this on a bathroom counter, you can hold the wand without letting it fall. Alright, so I'm excited. This is a very fancy hair dryer, but I will definitely include the links to their website and social in the description box down below. So stay tuned for my next video because I will be testing this baby out. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what you saw. Only if you like it. No pressure, no pressure. But thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.